Hello, my friends. Today we are going to make the most popular mixed rice in Persian style, which call it Loobia polo. It is so yummy and so enjoyable and rich of protein and all nutrition you need. At the first step, we try to wash our rice for a few times and add salt inside the water with the rice for at least 1 hour. And we go for washing the TVP or our soy means and try to wash it as much as possible we can because it need to be more soft and clean, and leave it for 1 hour. And after that maybe we needed to wash it again and make it ready for cooking. Then we start to clean our green beans and cut them in nice way as you can see in video, and wash them and make it ready for cooking. Then we start to boiling water on the pot. We add salt and olive oil, also turmeric to make color for the rice. When I start boiling the water, we will add our rice on the pot to start cooking the rice before draining. When the rice start boiling, which would be around 5 to 7 minutes, we start to draining the rice and cool down by warm water. Then we go to prepare our special sauce in this stage. So we go back again to green beans and soy beans to wash them again, and because we need few times to wash and clean them. Then we go to frying the onions. After 1 minute of frying the onions, we start to add the turmeric and black pepper and continue for frying until totally around 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And after that we start to add soy beans and continue to mix together in high heat, and mixing the flavors together and get ready, and maybe around 2-3 minutes. Then we make a free space on the pan and add little bit oil, and then we add 3 or 4 or 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and start to frying the tomato paste because it is very important for making the good taste for our sauce. Then we mix the tomato paste with the other ingredients in the pan and just try to mix together maybe around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And after that, we try to add some other spices such as chili powder, cinnamon, and keep going to mixing them and adding the green beans and again continuing to mixing them. And after that we have to have boiling water ready to add to them, but not very much boiling water. Then start again to mix all ingredients together with the water, and after that we add the lid and leave it for a medium flame for around 10 minutes. After that, our sauce would be ready. Final step, we add our mushrooms and little bit mix and turn off the stove, and our sauce is totally ready to mix with the rice. And we go for next step. In this stage, we start to add layers. One layer would be rice, another layer would be sauce, and we add our spices such as cinnamon, cumin, salt, and pepper. But just remember, just little bit we touch. I mean, little bit we use the spices, don't use too much because we need very medium taste and would be very tasty and you will really enjoy. We continue layer by layer, one layer rice, another layer sauce until finish all our ingredients, and we start to splash little bit oil on the rice and make it some holes, deep holes, and let's make a way for the steam to come out. And it is very good because help us to have a very good form of the rice in the final product. Then turn the flame on medium until start steaming. After start steaming, it would be around 5 minutes. We reduce the flame. We around 25% of hold the flame if possible. It means it's little bit as much as continue cooking, but not burning the rice. It is very important point. And we add a fabric on the lid of the pot, and let's the fabric takes all steams, extra steams, and just make the rice very good form and very beautiful when we want to eat it. And leave it for 40 to 60 minutes, very slow cook, until the food would be ready. In the final stage, we mix the rice and sauce together very well, and let's all flavors mix together. So delicious, and enjoy your rice. Really, this food is so yummy. Just one time you try, please, one time you try, make this food. Maybe it's a little bit hard for you because it takes a little bit long time, but so yummy. It is worth it. Anyway, I wanna try. All spices mixed together makes it very yummy taste. Cinnamon, turmeric, cumin. So yummy, so yummy. It is not very hot, same as Indian food rices. They are very hot, hot chili or something. It is not hot. It is medium, very, very nice, and you feel very nice when you eat that, and enjoyable. I love this food. Originally, this food in Persian style, they make it with lamb mince or beef mince, together, mix it together, make it. I made it only vegan protein, soy products. The name is TVP. Looks similar means, but it is not means. So this is rich of protein, and if you need protein, you don't need to be worried about protein. In vegan food, you can have protein in many different ways, and really you don't need animal source of protein. I love it. I'm going to say goodbye because I want to enjoy my lunch. Goodbye.